up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gagan Preet and I hope you guys doing. So as you guys read by today's title, it's a day in my life in lockdown. So as you guys know, the situation outside is really not good. If you see in Mumbai, the cases are literally increasing day by day, and it's been 5 months or 4 months, I think. We are sitting home and doing valuable things, and we're just passing our time. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I pass my time in lockdown. So or what I do the entire day and how I spend my day with my family, and yeah, my workouts and etc. So 11:15 right now. I know I woke up a little late because I was doing some editing and stuff last night. I slept like around 2:33, so that's why I woke up this late. Otherwise, I don't usually wake up this late. I wake up like 11ish, like 10:45, 11ish. Because lockdown है यार, सब सोएंगे घर पे, हम आराम करेंगे. Of course, कहाँ जाना है किसी को, सब घर पे ही बैठेंगे. So yeah, it's my first meal for the day. It's breakfast जो सुबह से मैंने खाया नहीं है. And I'm gonna eat now. It's upma today. So it's yum. I'm gonna tell you all what I'm doing the entire day today, like in short. So first I'm gonna edit my video and photo for my Instagram. Then later on I'm gonna clean my brushes. Oh my god, I've been just dealing this work since a very long time now. It's been I think 2-3 weeks that I'm thinking today I'll clean my brushes, but वो दिन आ ही नहीं रहा है. I don't know why I'm just delaying. It's just I'm lazy to go and then wash the brushes and then वो सुखाना and all. It's like a big task. So I was like okay, so I'll do it finally. And then I'm gonna pamper myself today with some skincare and maybe haircut or something. I don't know, like I'm not sure. Recently I cut my hair, and then the rest of the day is like just pretty normal, working out and spending time with my family, with my mom especially. Let's eat first. So guys, I'm done with my breakfast and now it's time to clean my brushes. So let's go. For all my girls out there, if at all you wanna purchase this cute little mini brush cleanser, I will link it in the description box below. I purchased this from Miniso, but it's also available on Nykaa and it's very affordable and makes your work more easier. So guys, I'm done cleaning my brushes. Now it's time for me to edit my Instagram pictures and videos, and then later I have to eat lunch. It's already 1:30 right now, but before my lunch I'll edit my video first and then let's go and have lunch. Hey guys, what's up? I'm finally done with my editing and it's 3:30 right now and it's time for me to have my lunch. So guys, today my mom has made aloo ki curry and roti, so I'm gonna eat this. If at all you're wondering what I'm watching Gossip Girl and I'm on the 3rd season right now, and I watch this every time whenever I eat lunch or dinner or everything. So guys, now I just completed my lunch and I'm just gonna take rest for some time because I'm just constantly working since morning. So I'm gonna watch Gossip Girl, take some rest, and then later I'm gonna prep for my skin because my skin is going to the worst phase right now. As you guys can see, I have a lot of breakouts and then I can't wait for the evening time because the most favorite part for the day is my evening time. No, I won't say. You guys just see what I do in my evening time. You guys will feel bliss. Trust me. You guys will be like, wow, because I have so much of fun, even though it's just like peace and silent, but it's actually fun. So I'm gonna show you what I do in the evening time. So guys, it's time for some skin prep, and for skin prep I'm gonna use 2 masks, out of which one is this Himalaya Purifying Neem face pack, normal to oily skin. It suits every skin type, and I'm just using this for some bacteria removal, and it deep cleanses and makes you feel a little nice. And the other face mask, I'm gonna use it for just glow thing, and it's a homemade remedy. It's just coffee and honey, which I'm gonna show you. So first we'll wash our face and apply this and keep it for 15 minutes. Let's do it. But honestly guys, I love doing the skincare videos, but you know what, मुझे इसमें से कुछ भी सूट नहीं होता है. Like my skin is very sensitive. If I use anything तो मुझे बहुत जल्दी breakouts and skin damages होते हैं. But then this thing I'm using since a week now and I can see changes, and I think this is working for me, so I'm gonna use this. So as you guys can see, I look like a ghost right now because of course the color. Oh wow, my headband and my face mask color is matching. That's nice. And I have to keep this for something like 15 minutes or something, and then I have to wash it off. And then it's 4:30 right now. I'm gonna wash this in 15 minutes, so it's 4:45. So here I am. So let's just talk for some time. जब तक ये पूरा 15 minutes खत्म नहीं हो जाता. Let's talk. So tell me, what do you want to know about me? I'm just kidding guys. So yeah, this is my face mask routine, and then later I'm gonna do honey and what did I say, honey and coffee. Even though I don't like honey, you guys will see something weird over there because I'm gonna keep a tissue with me while I have that honey ka mask, because if मेरा mask मुँह में जाता है with that honey, I'm just gonna puke, honestly, because you guys know I don't like honey at all. So yeah, and if you guys wondering why I'm wearing this such a loose t-shirts, Pawan, shut up. And if you guys just wondering why I'm wearing this loose t-shirts, because I love to wear oversized t-shirts. Like I like wearing oversized t-shirts, and मैं सब मेरी बहन के wardrobe में से निकालती हूँ, and वो मुझे हमेशा चिल्लाती है फेस टाइम पे कि why you have to look it in my closet, why can't you look it in your own, you have so many clothes, this that. Okay, you have to agree to this point. If you guys are the younger sibling, okay, if you guys are the younger ones, if you have an elder sister, this is the fact, okay, this is the fact. You have the most expensive clothes, like कुछ भी हो जाए, anything. But still, if you have to go out or something, first you will see your sister's closet. What she has, or she has something nice to wear than what I have or something. This is the fact. All the younger sisters have to admit it. I do this. Like every one of us. ये हम सब करते हैं. Because you know why? I'll tell you honestly. हमें लगता है कि हमारे पास इतने अच्छे क्लोथ्स नहीं है, हमारी सिस्टर के पास अच्छे होते हैं. And that's the fact. Like that is the fact. People like me, I do think, oh my god, my sister has such a nice clothes, and she has such a good collection for clothes and all. So that is, and yeah, this is also my sister's oversized tee. I mean, it's for me it's oversized, for my sister it's perfect. I wear this because I love wearing baggy clothes and oversized tees. So yeah. Guys, now it's time for the second mask, which is a home remedy of honey and coffee. You know, here I like coffee. Like, I'm a coffee lover at the max, and at the same time, I hate honey. Like, as you guys know, I hate honey. So the combination is like really wow. So let's go and make the other one. As you guys saw, I have taken a little bit of coffee powder, which is already melted. Now I have to take this shit inside this. So I have to take more of honey and less of coffee powder. So guys, this mask is just for the glow, and the fact that I have tissue paper in my hand is just because I don't want honey to go inside my mouth. Ew. So yeah, we're gonna keep this for 15 minutes and then gonna wash it. So guys, as you guys can see, my skin feels so good after these two skincare, and these are the only ones I do. I don't do 10 things on my face, and yeah, my skin feels very soft, and you can see the glow after the coffee mask. It's really useful. You guys should try that. And yeah, pretty much I'm done with my skincare. So guys, after your skincare, don't forget to moisturize your skin. So I am using this Victoria's Secret Temptation moisturizer, and this smells so damn good, like so damn good. And now the second pamper thing is I'm gonna cut my hair, like this hair. I'm gonna trim it a little bit. So the last time I did the bangs, as you guys have seen already in my previous videos, I had bangs and then I had cut it on my own. And even before that, I did a haircut, again this haircut. I just trimmed, nothing else. It was like till my waist, I did till my chest, and it's grown. And since then I've always liked to keep my hair short, so it's time, this time it's a little grown. So I think I'm gonna give a little bit of trim, not too much, but just a little bit. So So guys, it's evening right now. So firstly, very good evening to all of y'all, and it's 6:30 right now. And as I've said this earlier, that evening time is one of my favorite part of the entire day, because I sit in my balcony and I look at this beautiful view, which I'm gonna show y'all, and drink my coffee and listen to my favorite song on my Alexa. So that's what I'm gonna do. And also I won't be able to play my songs. So see guys, this is the view from my house. Also guys, I was going through my Instagram today in the afternoon while I was taking rest, and I realized that I have nothing to post on Instagram except for the video which I except for the picture which I edited today. I have literally nothing to post other than that. So I think I'm also gonna do a photo shoot after. Thank you, uncle. This is what happens with me, because the station is just next to my house, if you guys can see, like, yeah, this is the station. So what I was saying Yeah, also I'm gonna shoot for my Instagram picture. What time? But because after this I'm gonna do a little bit of workout, so I think I'll do the workout later and I'm gonna shoot thoda sa. So as you guys can see, the sun is almost set and this is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna go inside and start preparing for my photo shoot. So see ya. So guys, I finally got done with my shoot and I'm damn tired because of course you guys saw I had such a long day, and I think I'm gonna skip my workout for today because of course मेरे में एक person की हिम्मत नहीं बची है workout करने के लिए. So I think I'm gonna have dinner and then I don't know, let's see. So So guys, my mom is gonna ask me riddles. So ask.
तीतर के दो आगे तीतर, तीतर के दो पीछे तीतर, बोलो कितने तीतर?
क्या था ये? तीतर के दो आगे.
तीतर के दो आगे तीतर, तीतर के दो पीछे तीतर, बोलो कितने तीतर?
तीतर के दो आगे तो तीतर के दो पीछे. दो चार दो दो क्या?
ये देखा
बेवकूफ बोलो ना. अच्छा दो या चार?
तीन.
क्यों? ओ तीतर हिमसेल्फ. और पूछो.
हरा डिब्बा लाल मकान, उसमें बैठा काला पठान.
वाटरमेलन पता है मुझे.
तू चल में आया.
टट्टी. आपने मुझे बोला था ये वाला. So guys, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And the riddle thing you saw with my mom at the last minute was just so unplanned. Like she was just asking me riddles and I thought of just shooting it. So yeah, it's just clips, 2-3 clips of that riddles. And yeah, as you guys can see, I'm so drained right now because I'm very sleepy and I'm tired. And yeah, if you guys wanna watch more vlogging videos, let me know in the comment section below, and yeah, I'll make such vlogging videos. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you next time.